Let's revise chapter 2. What is secondary memory? As you know that secondary memory is also known as external memory. As you know that primary memory has a capacity is very limited. That's why we need an external memory or a secondary memory. You know that secondary memory is larger, has a larger capacity than main memory, but it is slower than main memory. Permanent storage of data and instructions are in secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as permanent storage memory. The different types of external storage devices are hard disk, CD-ROM, Blu-ray disc or pen drive. CD-ROM and DVD both are in one unit. Let's learn about hard disk. Hard disks were invented in 1950s. It introduced by IBM in 1956. They started as large disks up to 20 inches in diameter, holding up just a few megabytes. They were originally called fixed disk or Winchesters. You know that it is category of fixed disk and which is known as Winchesters. They later became popular as hard disk. In before years, it was known as Winchesters. Now this is known as hard disk. To distinguish them from floppy disk. To distinguish the hard disk from floppy disk, the name was later given that hard disk. Let's come to new topic, compact disc or digital versatile disc, CD-ROM. CDs and DVDs use light from a laser, hence known as optical disc. CD or DVD can be placed on a CD-ROM and DVD-ROM drives. CDs, DVDs are used to hold music, data or computer software. They have become the standard medium for distributing large quantities of information in a reliable package. You all know that we are inserting CD and DVDs in a drive and they all can hold our data, music, videos and computer softwares. CD is a fairly simple piece of plastic about 1.2 millimeter thick. It has a capacity to store data about 700 MB. CD has two types, CDR and CDRW. CDR available in two types of CDs, compact disc recordable and compact disc rewritable. DVD looks similar to CD but it stores more data. DVD has a capacity to store data between 4.7 GB to 17 GB. They are usually based to store multimedia files that need high storage capacity. DVD are of two types, DVD-R and DVD-RW. Digital versatile disc recordable and digital versatile disc rewritable. Let's start some more types of secondary storage devices. Blu-ray disc. What it is? It is also a storage device. The current optical disc technologies such as CD, DVD and DVD-R and RW rely on a red laser to read and write data, while using Blu-ray disc uses a blue-violet laser. You all know that CD and DVD uses red laser light to store our data, but in Blu-ray disc it uses blue-violet laser. The benefit of using a blue-violet laser is that it has shorter wavelength than red laser. This allows to fit more data on the disk
even though it has the same size as a CD or DVD. Its size is almost same, but it has a shorter wavelength than red laser. That's why it allows to fit more data on a disk. It was developed for recording and playing back high definition video and for storing large amount of data. All you know that it gives you high resolution or high definition of video to store large amount of data. While a CD can hold 700 MB of data, CD's capacity to hold a data is 700 MB and DVD has a 4.7 GB of data. A single Blu-ray disc can hold up to 25 GB of data. The capacity of single Blu-ray disc is 25 GB. Next, let's start next storage device, pen drive and flash drive. Pen drive help you transfer your data. Pen drives have a large number of data storing capacities more than 2 GB and it goes to 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB. Minimum is 2 GB pen drive and maximum capacity is 64 GB pen drive. Nowadays, more than 64 GB pen drives are also available, and pen drive also known as flash drives. It is a small, lightweight and rewritable storage device. It is resistant from scratches and dust. Resistant from scratches means it has a metallic body upper side and the plastic body at the lower side that prevent you from dust and scratches. Pen drive is a portable memory device that uses solid state memory rather than magnetic field or lasers to record data. Portable means you can put the pen drive in your pocket and it can easily be kept from one place to another. That means a portable memory. This is a summary of chapter 2 which I explained in very short manner.